Everyone wants to know the smart way to trade gold in 2025, but clearly the way it was traded last year might have been wrecked this year. Gold has changed, volatility has changed. That means if your strategy has not evolved, you're already behind. So in this video, I'll show you how to trade Xauusd in 2025, step by step, from market structure to the timing. In 2024, gold was all about momentum, liquidity grabs, fake outs around key zones, most especially during the New York session. But in 2025, gold's behavior has really shifted. We are seeing deeper pullbacks before big moves. Liquidity sweeps around the previous highs and lows. Actions at around institutional levels of 2003.20, 2003.50, and 2400. Instead of chasing breakouts this year, the smart move is to let the price come back to your level, confirm the rejection, and trade from liquidity back into the trend direction. Now, this is the smart entry strategy I use on gold. Number one, we are going to start our analysis in the 4-hour time frame. What are we looking for in that 4-hour time frame? These are beginner steps, but what are we looking for? We are either looking for either the market is bullish or bearish, and also to see where the deepest liquidity grabs have been. The second thing that you need to do is you need to mark the areas that have liquidity grabs, the deepest liquidity grabs, because gold loves hunting stops where the liquidity is before moving in its direction. Your next analysis is going to be in the 15 minutes or the 5-minute time frame. What are we looking for in that time frame? We are looking for breakouts. We are looking for breakouts and confirmations in that time frame, because you cannot see a confirmation in your 1 hour or 4-hour time frame. It's very hard. But we are waiting for confirmations for a very perfect and sniper entry. Every time we are in the 15-minute or the 5-minute time frame, we expect the liquidity grab to happen. What does the liquidity grab mean? It means there is a fake breakout that is going to happen in a direction where gold wants to take out most retail traders, all locate most stop, they call it a stop hunt, where it's going to go on a stop hunt for most stop losses of retail traders that are very predictable. So what will be our entry? Our entry will be as soon as this fake breakout happens and it retraces back to the original posture or the direction where gold must move in. Confirmations like bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing, where if it's in the downtrend, we expect a big candle, a big bearish candle to cover up the previous green candle that was formed in the market. Then if it's a bullish trend that we are waiting for confirmation, we are only waiting for a bullish engulfing. That means we are waiting for a green candle that is going to engulf the previous bearish candle, which is in red, based on how you set your trading all MetaTrader. The reason for analyzing the market in the lower time frame is to make sure we have a perfect entry, so that our stop loss is right below the wick that has hunted most stops for the retail traders. So when we wait for that confirmation and wait for that fake breakout to happen, there might be several. Sometimes there are 2, sometimes there are 3, sometimes there are 4. So when you enter the market right after the fake breakout happens, that means you put your stop loss right below. That means it is about 20 pips below minimum for maximum for gold. That's to have a clear risk management skill. What is our take profit going to be like? We are targeting the next liquidity zone, and we in gold we always aim for the minimum of 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. 1 to 3. So we maximize our we minimize our risk to reward ratio to be. Some people do 1 to 2, but I always do my minimum as 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Sorry, 1 to 3. Part 3. Timing is everything when you're trading gold. If you're trading gold in 2025, timing is very key. That means the session that you're going to trade also matters. What sessions are encouraged? That's the London session and the New York session. The London session happens between 7 to 9 a.m. GMT, based on whatever location you are in. New York Open, those who know, it happens between 12 to 2 p.m. GMT. That's for any person who is just entering and learning trading. Those are the two sessions, the New York session and the London session. They are the most volatile sessions of the market. Some scalpers enjoy trading the Asian session a little bit. Why? Because the Asian session has grabs on small moves on gold. That means you can grab some few pips steadily if you have a good analysis. This is part 4 of how to trade gold in 2025, risk and mindset. Now, here is the most important part that most traders ignore: risk. The smartest traders out there, they are not trying to catch every move. They are trying to protect their capital as much as possible. That means their risk management is 001. For example, I'm risking my $15 on a 1,500 account for a $45 gain under the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3. That is a good trader. Simple, consistent, and that's how you build longevity in this game of trading. Not by guessing lot sizes or doing revenge trading. I know some of you have witnessed some traders doing 9.79, 3.2, 3.37. That means they are marking their entries, they are marking their stop loss, and they are marking their take profit for how much they are going to risk. That's where you find on baby pips, where you find the feature that is going to help you know which lot size to use on which trade. Sometimes it might not be important, but with time you might not need it. But if you journal your trades and take every trade seriously, you need to make sure every lot size you use, it's well calculated. It's because a trade worth calculated is a risk also managed. So if it's one thing that you need to learn from this video, is that stop chasing gold. Let it come to you. Trade around liquidity, know your risk, and make sure you are focusing on consistency. Found this breakdown useful? Drop a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit a follow in my TikTok account, and let's continue sharing the gospel of traders according to the book of traders. I'll share my personal chart and risk setup in the next video. Comment below XAU 2025 if you learned something new in this video. Thank you.